Hi, it's Jenny, an embossed and watercoloured card to share with you today using the Because Stamp Set by Sunshine and Bee Designs. All the products I used are listed and linked to the shop in the description area below. I'll stamp the wreath all over my card to make a background, and I decided to fill in the centre of the wreath with some of the extra flower and leaf stamps from the stamp set. I used my anti-static powder bag first and stamped using Versamark Embossing Ink. Once all my stamping is done, I'll cover this with white embossing powder and heat set until all the powder has melted. I use my powder bag a few extra times just to remove any of the oils from where my fingers have touched the card. For the colour, I'm using the Aqua Pigments by Brutus Monroe. Blue violet, blue green and blue. I put a few drops of colour into my palette. I have a water pot just off screen. I used the blue violet colour for the background. I coloured all around the stamped images, adding water to help the colour move and adding more colour where I need to. I'm trying to keep the edges of the colour wet so I don't get any harsh lines. I'll speed up some of this colouring. I'm working in small areas and working my way down the card. The daisy-like flowers are blue, the leaves are blue-green. I mixed the blue and blue-green colour for the tulip flowers. The centre of the daisies are blue-violet, and the berries are blue-green. The leaves for the tulips are a mix of blue-violet and blue-green. I wanted to keep this card in blues and greens so it could be used for a masculine card. I left this to dry and buffed off any colour from the embossed lines with a dry paper towel. I cut my background to be able to take the strip out. I have stamped my sentiment from the Positive Thought stamp set onto a strip of card. I will adhere the background flat to a card base and pop the sentiment up with foam tape. For the other background piece, I stamped a sentiment at the bottom of a card panel, adhered the background piece flat to a card base with a white card up on foam tape. I'll trim off the excess and use this part that was trimmed at the bottom of the card base. And I have two cards from one background. Do you think it needs anything else? Enamel drops or sequins? I can't decide. Let me know in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Here are some more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.